Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Greatland Gold PLC. And if you look at the long-term stock, so what you could see here is a big breakout in a multi-year time frame. So this is indeed very important, and obviously this could have very positive impact on the stock for long term, because if you have see so if you can see this chart, so the stock has been struggling since 2007 till 2020. So there is a resistance for this stock in the past 12 or 13 odd years, though there are some swings, there are some big swings, okay, but breaking out the resistance which is so old, and the stock has tried to break out in 2007, then we have in 2010 and 11, and probably the stock made a decent breakout in the year 2022. So it does have its own impact, okay. So let's just discuss the long-term implication of that. Obviously the implication will be on the positive side, and the upcoming targets which one can probably expect in the days or probably in the months to come, because what we are looking at is a big trend. So obviously this kind of big trend took couple of years to reach to its probable target levels. So what you could see here first is your immediate support level, so which will be 4.9. so this 4.9 is nothing but the resistance level which the stock has broken on the upside. So from 4.9, then we have 4, and then we have this 2.69. so these are probably the zone from 2.6 to 4.9. This is nothing but the zone at which in any adverse scenario the stock could take a support from, okay. And if indeed things goes down, so the next support after 2.6 will come at around 0.3 and 0.05. so from the level of 0.05 in 2016, right now it is trading at 22. so in percentage terms, anyhow it can make you a millionaire or a billionaire if you have invested a decent amount of money, because if you can see the size of the profit, so you can say in the last 4 odd years this script has given you 43,907 percentage of return. So that's indeed phenomenal, okay. And looking at the price, so though the profit is very big and very good, but looking at the price, it looks like a penny stock, and after a breakout the script is already moving like 300 odd percentage. So things are getting very big in a very short time. So obviously these have positive implication, but let's understand one thing which is very important to notice here is, if you are expecting the stock to perform in the next, let's say 5, 10 or 15 odd years, and you are getting the same sort of return probably in 1 or 2 year of time frame, so you need to be a bit more aware and cautious about what you are expecting and what the stock has given. And if you are expecting beyond a certain level, then there are some unknown risk or known risk or additional beta that you are adding whenever you are taking or thinking about those kind of scenarios. So let's discuss about the trend first. So here what could you expect more from the stock is simply this, okay. So we are going to measure this length first, and this length as well. So probably we are going to go step by step. So if you measure the complete length, which will give you 4700 percentage. And if you measure the half of the length where you have you can find some important support levels, so it is 976 percentage in terms of length. So you can expect the same thing on the upside, as it has already moved on 300 odd percent, but your next potential target will come at around here. So your next target for this particular script will be around 44, in between 40 to 50, you can consider that zone. So this is the thing which you could expect, and we will see further how the trend will shape up in the future. So probably the kind of movement we can see in the stock price, it probably doesn't take much time, but understand this, the rally has already given you 43,000 percentage worth of returns. Okay, so those who have invested since 2016, they know how much money they have made. So if you are expecting something, you should keep that thing in mind, that when I'm saying that or there is a probability that stock will move towards 44. So now till now the stock already give you 40 to 43,000 percent. If it indeed reaches 44, then the profit percentage will be at around 85,000 percent. So you should understand and know the implications of this return. I'm not saying that it won't go there, but there is a risk which will add as the stock goes higher and higher in the days or in the months to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.